So today I wanted to show you this ZESTIGREENS microgreens kit. It comes with everything you need for growing your microgreens. It comes with the soil, comes with the container, the bamboo plate here underneath, including 3 separate seed packets. So you actually have 3 harvests. So I've just started out with the 1 harvest so far and it has worked wonderfully. I set the soil in the container about 7 days ago and soaked the seeds in water and planted them into the soil. And within these 7 days, a little each day, they have continued to grow. And I'm going to actually make a salad and we're going to put these on it. So I'm really excited about this because it's going to be great as part of my low carb journey. I still want to get those micronutrients with less carbs. So I'm definitely going to be using this on a daily basis to help ensure that I get those nutrients that I need. So I can't speak more highly of the ZESTIGREENS microgreens growing system. The instructions were very clear. The seeds germinated quickly. Within 7 days, I was able to harvest my microgreens, and that's great for somebody that's busy like me. And I am definitely going to be ordering more seeds so that I can keep this process going every week to add more nutrients to my salad. So if you're looking for something to add more nutrients to your meals, this is definitely a great solution and easy to grow as well.